Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this puzzle page. This is a puzzle page of Saturday, August the 10th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku. Well, it turns out it's not a 4 stars, it's a 1-star puzzle. We have 3 puzzles left: the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. One of these binaries. I think I will do this one with 4 stars. And you are interested in this one, yes. It's the Sudoku. Killer Sudoku, yes. Killer Sudoku number 9066. For a Killer Sudoku, my average time to solve it's 20 to 30 minutes to solve a Killer Sudoku. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars puzzle, yeah. Alright, we have here 3 given numbers. Given number 3 in this triple box of 14, that means that those two boxes together should be 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. We have a given number 5 in this triple box of 18. That means that those two boxes together should be 13. 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. Here we have a given number 5 in this triple box of 16. That means that those two boxes together should be 11. 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. All right. So let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 2 sharing boxes. This one is complete. If you what you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. If you count all these numbers, the total sum will be 45. What you also need to know is the total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. Alright, this one is complete. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one is complete. This one has 1. So this one and that one. I will start. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay. So 15 plus 13 is 28. 28 plus 8 is 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. So 45 minus 42 is a 3. This box will be 3. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 3 plus 8. Now, this one has 2 sharing boxes. Okay, let me go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Alright, 14, wait. 10 plus 15 is 29. Correction. 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 plus 14 is 39. 39 plus 4 is 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. This box should be a 2. In the box of 7, the combination here will be 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Okay. Then, my next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. Let me start here. Nope. Here. The box of 3, only one combination. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. The box of 17, only one combination. 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. Here, nope. The box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. The box of 4, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. All right. Alright. 8, 6, 15, 11. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 2 places left of the 5. Goes in the box of 11. Combination 6 and a 5. 6 and a 5. So now one box left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and a 7. Okay. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left of 5 should be there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 5 plus 3. So we need a 3 here. Could be here, or there. Okay, can we 8? Can we 8? Could be an 8. Yeah. 6. We have a 5. Well, in this big square, we need a 5. Cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 15, otherwise the combination will be 5 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number is the 9. So it should be in the box of 14. Combination 9 and a 5. 9 and a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there then. 3, okay. Then one on let me the next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations. Well, the box of 15, there are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 9 plus 6 and 8 plus 7. Well, the 9 is already used here in the box of 14. So it should be 8 and a 7, 8 and a 7. That means the last box in this big square should be for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and a 6. Alright, and now need a 3 here, 3 there, 3 and a 7, okay. Need to think. 3, 3. Come on, 5, 5. Well. Well. 8, go here, 8. Let me think. 2 and 1. 2 and 4. 5 and 1. Yeah. There are 2 combinations for the box of 6. 5 plus 1 and 2 plus 4. Well, the 5 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 5 and a 1 here. So it should be 2 and a 4. Well, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 2 goes there. 2 and a 1, we have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we need a 2 here. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, okay. There are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 8 plus 7 and 9 plus 6. Well, the 8 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 8 and the 7 here. So it should be 9 and 6, 9 and 6. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 4 and a 7. Well, I cannot place the 7 there. If I place the 7 here in the box of 10, then the combination will be 7 plus 3. Well, the 3 is already used in this column. So the 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. In the box of 10, the combination will be 4 plus 6. And this triple box of 16, these 2 boxes together should be a 9 then. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16, okay. No 7. Oh, no 7 here. 7. 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 6, okay. Could be a 7 here. Let me think. Well, there are two combinations for the box of 15. 8 plus 7 and 9 plus 6. Well, the 7 is already used in this column, so I cannot place the 7 and the 8 there, so it should be 9 and 6, 9 and 6. Okay, one of the missing number in this big square is number 8. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 6, and I cannot place the 8 in the box of 8. Otherwise, the combination here will be 8 plus 0. 0 is not allowed, so it should be in the box of 13. Combination 8 and a 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. We have an 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 5 need a 5 there. Yeah, 5 in this column. Last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. We have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 5 there. Only place left for 5 should be here. In the box of 8, the combination will be 5 plus 3. 3 and a 1. We have a 3 now in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. Alright. Need a 3 here. Here. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above, so that row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. Here, I cannot place a 3 because we have 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. If I place a 3 here in the box of 8, then the combination will be 3 plus 5. Well, the 5 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 3 there. So the 3 should be here in the box of 11. So 3 plus 8 is 11, plus 5 is equal to 16. Okay. 9 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. Well, I cannot place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, then this triple box of 18, 1 plus 5 is 6. So I need to place there 12 then. 12 is not allowed. So the 1 should be here, and the 6 should be there. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 7 is equal to 18. Yeah, correct. Alright, and now 9 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this row, middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in one of those two boxes, in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left of 9. Goes in the box of 10, combination 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have a box of 6 and a box of 8. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. Cannot place the 7 in the box of 6, of course, so it should be in the box of 8, combination 7 and a 1. 7 and a 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 7 is equal to 16, correct. So what are these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. Okay, 2, 4, 7. I need to wait. 2, 4, 7. Let me think. There are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 8 plus 7 and 9 plus 6. Well, the 8 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 8 and the 7 there, so it should be 9 and a 6. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Okay. So we have a box of 8 and a box of 6 in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. We have a 1 in the middle row, in a row above, no 1 there. So the only 2 places left for the 1 goes in the box of 8, combination 1 and a 7. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 and the 2 is missing, 2 and a 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. This is a 2. Okay. 2, 4, 7. We have a 7 and a 4 in the last row, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left should be the 2. 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. Okay. One box left in this column for number 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. In a box of 11, combination with 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. One box left in this big square. I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. So, need a 9 there. Okay. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Then the 2 here, 2 there. Let me think. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Well, we have 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here I cannot place a 1 because if I place a 1 here in the box of 11, then the combination will be 1 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So the 1 should be here. Definitely in the box of 10. Combination here will be 1 plus 9. Alright. 9 and 5. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. In the box of 10. Combination with 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 1 box left in this middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing here. In the box of 11, combination will be 4 plus 7. 8 and 7, we have 7 now in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and 6, we have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in this row, first row, no 8 there. 8 in the third row, no 8 there, so the only place left for the 8 should be here. In a box of 10, combination will be 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Alright. 7 and a 4, we have a 7 already in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 in the second column, no 7 there, so the only place left for the 7 should be here. In this triple box of 22, this box should be 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 6 is equal to 22. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. In the box of 9, the combination will be 3 plus 6. Here 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 5. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 9 and 6, we have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes in there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 9 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Finish in 19 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. 2 stars. Not the 3 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.